Now the next topic is LRR, means limiting radius ratio. Limiting radius ratio. Now this is our the next topic. Now here we are taking the coordination number which I have explained you here. Suppose now I am showing you. This is the simple arrangement as the lattices are arranged in a systematic manner. If you will take this point, so this point is attached with how many number of other point? 2. So that's why this is known as the coordination number. Now hope you understand how I have written here coordination number 3, here coordination number 6. So this is the 3D figure, so you have to imagine कि 4 यहाँ आगे है तो उसके ऊपर एक है 5th और उसके नीचे एक है 6th. But this simple arrangement I showed you and now you understand the coordination number for this is because this unit cell is attached with these two. So for this it is a coordination number 2. Now we'll come to the ratio R plus and R minus. It is very important topic for your MCQ part even and VSQ part also. So the ratio of R plus and R minus. उसके ऊपर से many questions can be asked. Draw the table along with me, student. Coordination number, second column, third arrangement. Arrangement and that last one it is a example. So first point I'll take the ratio is between 0.155. Then the second one is 0.156 but not more than 0.255. This is the range 0 but less than 0.155 and here 0.156 and that not more than 0.255. So here the coordination number for this it is 2. Coordination number for this it is 3. Now arrangement, if the coordination number is 2, then just now I showed you the arrangement, that arrangement is linear. Just only I showed you this arrangement. So this arrangement is linear where the coordination number is 2. Now suppose the coordination number is 3. Then which type of arrangement can you see? That is triangular. Now write down the example of linear arrangement, that is beryllium oxide BeO. For triangular, barium trioxide B2O3. Now the next is, now here we have to write the range, lower limit and upper limit. 1 and 2 serial number or 2 and 3 coordination number, I mentioned that it is not exceed than 1.155 and here it is not more than 0.255. But now the point 3 that I am writing serial number 3, that is 0.255 is a lower limit to 0.414. This is lower limit and this is higher limit. उसके लिए coordination number है 4. Then next one, it is a fourth one, that 0.414 to 0.73. 0.73 and the fifth one is 0.73 to 0.199, means nearer to the 1. So 0.414 or higher limit 0.73, then coordination number is 6 and for here the coordination number is 8. So now where the coordination number is 4, that is having the tetrahedral arrangement. Coordination number is 6, that we have already studied coordination number in HCP, and the coordination number 8, that is in the BCC. ये हमने already पढ़ा हुआ है. Now we'll go with the example. Your example is zinc blend for HCP. The very good example is sodium chloride. Here the ratio of R plus and R minus is equal to 0.52. For BCC, the very good example is cesium chloride and the ratio of R plus and R minus is equal to 0.93. Student, write down this table in your notebook. Now on the basis of this table or the limiting radius ratio, many questions can be asked. So some of the question or way of question I am just giving you here. So you are able to solve that BSQ type of questions. The ratio of R plus and R minus. Now suppose I'll consider R minus as a capital R. So I'm writing R upon R. R upon R. And now we are taking this range. This range we are taking. So R upon R is equal to 0.414 to 0.73. So therefore R is equal to 0.414 to 0.73 R. Can we consider this? ये R को हम यहाँ मल्टीप्लीकेशन में लेके जा सकते हैं. अब ये R हमारा है पॉजिटिव कैटायन, तो इसके ऊपर से अब क्वेश्चंस क्या पूछे जा सकते हैं वो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता रही हूँ. Here I have written this ratio is 0.52. Means the question is asked you that the ratio of R plus and R minus is 0.52. अब यहाँ पर आपको किस तरह से ये रेशियो दिया हुआ है, या तो इसके ऊपर से आपको ये निकालना है, और अगर इस तरह से रेशियो दिया है, देन इट मे बी आस्क which type of packing efficiency or which type of packing is it or crystal it is. So यहाँ पर हमें ये देखना है 0.52 is nearer to lower limit or upper limit, बट नेचुरल 0.5241 के नजदीक में है. सो व्हेन द रेशियो इज near to lower limit, then the arrangement the ratio of is near to lower limit, then the arrangement of this molecule, or we can say the arrangement of unit cell are very nearer to each other. This all are negative point, and in the void positive lattice is situated. Student, one more time I am just briefing you. Write down in your notebook. When the ratio of R plus and R minus is near to the lower limit, then the negative ion are closely attached with one another, and the void which is developed, there the cation is situated. So this packing, it is known as close packing. This packing is known as close packing. अब उससे उल्टा एक और एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दे रही हूं साथ में. सपोज ZNS, here the ratio is 0.402. The ratio is 0.402. So now you see from this is the limit ZNS के लिए, जिंक प्लांट के लिए लिमिट आपकी है, हायर लिमिट है 0.414, and here I have given 0.402. So 0.402 is nearer to the upper limit. So when the ratio of R plus and R minus is near to higher limit, then the arrangement of unit is having little farther than one another. वो expanded हो गए हैं. क्यों expand हो गए हैं? क्योंकि उसके जो रेशियो है वो हायर लिमिट के पास है. So here this negative ion means negative ion are little farther than one another, and this type of packing, it is known as expanded crystal. When the ratio is near the lower limit, you will get the close packing, and the positive ion is, or the positive is developed on the void which is created, and here in that ratio, when it is near to the higher limit, they are little farther to one another, and that's why it is known as expanded crystal. Now the last one, fifth one, here I have given the ratio 0.93. So that is your homework. You have to find this question, how you will write down in your notebook and find out whether it is a close packing or it is a expanded crystal. अब इसके बाद में एक और क्वेश्चन मैं आपको लिखा रही हूँ. राइट डाउन दैट क्वेश्चन इन योर नोटबुक. Suppose magnesium oxide possesses the characteristics like NaCl. Suppose magnesium oxide possesses the characteristics like NaCl. Write the comment on magnesium oxide's coordination number and the arrangement. Comment on magnesium oxide's crystal. One more time repeating the question. Magnesium oxide possesses the characteristics like NaCl. Comment on the magnesium oxide crystal arrangement with coordination number. Second question. The ratio of, okay students, I am just dictating only. R plus Na means radius of Na plus is 91 picometer. The radius of Na plus is 91 picometer and radius of Cl minus is 181 picometer. Write the coordination number and shape of NaCl. So this is also the way the question can be asked to you from this table which I have given you. So this is very important part, limiting radius ratio and the voids.